Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna go through and moisturize my hair, and basically it's pre-pooing my hair. I plan on washing it tomorrow and I just want to do a pre-poo tonight, and then whenever I'm ready tomorrow then I'll wash it off. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more. I plan on doing a ton of hair videos until I grow my hair to my desired length. Stick around and let's embark on this journey together and grow this baby as long as possible. Okay, yeah, so please subscribe and like the video for more to come. Okay, so here I have my hair. It's been in this twist protective style, and when I'm going out I just tie my hair with some nice scarves and stuff like that. That's all I do. So okay, to go ahead and moisturize my hair, I'm gonna be using warm water, just plain water, nothing mixed with it. And then I'll be using this grease that I make with just pomade and castor oil and vitamin E mixed. I have about 1.5 tablespoon of castor oil grease, and then I have 1 tablespoon of the Blue Magic grease mixed together, and 2 tablespoon of castor oil, and about 1 tablespoon of the vitamin E oil. Okay, so it will really moisturize your strands and also nourish and um, help you to exfoliate your scalp when it's right time to wash it, and it minimizes breakage as well. And I've been using it for a while. It works pretty well. Okay, it will really stimulate good hair growth and stop any breakage that you might be experiencing and all that stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put this around myself just to prevent me from being soaked with the water. So I just go through, I spritz the hair real good. Okay, and then I massage it in just to make sure it reaches my scalp and everything before I go and manipulate it a ton. Okay, so just warm water, guys, and then the hair that's been clumped together, it will give way very easily, no difficulties at all. So yeah, so that's all you need. And here you can see I have my alopecia spot that I'm working on growing back. You can see it's making progress every day, so that's really nice. And using the grease and just water or tea water, I've seen less breakage. So I'll go through, I'll start with this alopecia spot and I'll just massage in the grease. Okay, okay, then I'll go here on the outside part. I'll just apply the grease as well, and I'll come here on my edge. Okay, and I'll just massage it in, and I come here, I massage it in. Now you can use a scalp massager or a teaser to get the product to spread through the hair, but I'm just using my hand tonight. But you can use that as well to help stimulate hair growth and spread the product all the way to throughout your scalp and your strand of hair. So I take a little generous amount. Okay, I rub it through my hand and then I go through, I apply it through the length of the hair, and that really helps. Okay, and you will experience very little to no shedding and breakage. Okay, so yeah, that's all I do. And I have about four, yeah, I had four twists, two in the back, two in the front, and now I will use this pick to detangle. So you just start at the tip and you just go through. Okay. Now, if you have uneven hair like I do, the best thing to do is to just separate it, get the shorter parts by themselves, okay, and detangle them together, and then get the longer parts together, so that way we're not putting a lot of tensions on the hair and causing it to come out unnecessarily, okay? So here we do this, okay, just like that. And okay, we'll put that one away, and then we'll do this one. But this is not a thorough detangling. When I'm washing my hair tomorrow, I'll go ahead and detangle it some more. By then it's gonna be wet, soaking wet, and it's gonna be better, okay? So that's all I do, and I can actually twist that one away again, okay? Now soon I'm gonna be using my camera to record the videos, and I'll be able to edit them, and I think that's gonna be a better experience than having to record straight from the computer and just put it out there. Now I'll do this side. Okay, so here we just spray it with warm water all the way through, bottom, sides, and top. Okay, and you just pull it through. Okay, so yeah, then just open the hair and water it. Yay! So yeah, I don't know. Are you guys trying grease on your hair, or what products are you using? I've used a ton of stuff. I've tried coffee. I've tried coffee oil that I DIY. I've tried aloe vera oil that I've DIY. Onion, garlic, everything. But my alopecia is so stubborn. I just call it stubborn. But I keep telling myself, no, I have it under control. But if you guys have any good tips, any good ideas that you would like to share, leave it in the comments section, and I'll certainly try it to see if I can make a difference on my alopecia. So here I have the hair parted, and I go through and massage the grease throughout the hairline, okay? And then I come to the side. Look at that slop with water. Okay, I come on the sides and I add the products, guys, and then I go through, okay, like that, and I add a good amount, okay, and spread it through with your finger. Just massage it through. If you have a scalp teaser or a hair teaser, you can use it, as I said, or you can brush it through. Okay, anywhere you go, we just want to be careful to not cause any breakage or snapping of the hair or putting tension on the hair or much tension on the hair. Okay, so just be careful, be very, very gentle. Now I take a generous amount and I go through the length of the hair. Okay, and We want to get the ends real good. Okay. Now a little bit go a long way, so you don't need a ton of it, but feel free to add as much as you need. You can see how my hair is really laid, very minimal fly away and stuff. So this product really work, and it's affordable. You can find it anywhere. That's what I really like it. And I'm gonna stay with just grease and water and some tea and stuff like that to really attain my hair length. Okay, and I want my hair to be really long and healthy, but I have a limit. I have an end. Like once I get to it, I'm gonna stop, and I would be greedy, like trying to reach knee length, butt length, nothing like that. Just a decent amount. Okay, so just okay. So I didn't go through with the peak to detangle this, but it's all right because I will get to it tomorrow, and the video is already pretty long. So yeah, you guys get the idea, right? Of what to do, how to pre-poo, how to prepare your hair for wash day. Um, yeah, so that was the goal of this video. I hope I convey that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos to come. Now I'll go through and do the back, okay? Thank you guys.